Hello, sir. My name is Erwin Sputo. Before I begin, I would like to thank you, sir, for your being a kind person and also understanding persons of us, not only for me, but all students you teach, because you give us hope, new skills, and new talents, and new life because of your teaching, sir. So, by the way, sir, I start now. What the subject contributor for me what the subject contribute for me is because I know how to control myself. I know how to think quickly, and I know where I'm good and where I'm bad. And now, sir, my personal growth is kindly higher now because I know myself is out of 8 over 10 because I'm a type of person of suicidal, but now I can control my feelings and my emotions. Also, sir, I learned that personal growth is not just about yourself, but also is a learning of yourself, how you attach yourself of being a good person. By the way, sir, thank you for your being kind now. Thank you for being kind and also for your teaching us of new skills. Because why? Because of your subject, sir, I learned to explore my skills, and now I found it. I'm good in exploring myself. I'm good in cycling, sports like basketballs, and also I'm good in cycling and basketball on badminton. But my skills in like a project, I learn it from myself. Explore is the best things for me to learn and to get new knowledge from you. And my value, sir, is to be a kind person and to be a good person in an ethical process way, because I see myself that according to UTS that we need to learn to explore, and according to the philosopher, the exam in life is not worth living. So we need to learn and to accept the mistake. So by the way, sir, I really appreciate your helping us and learning us that UTS, that understanding the self is about us, and to learn to accept the mistake and to accept the truth. This is me, Heroin Isputo, that my reflection is get me attention from you. Thank you, sir. By the way, my name is Heroin Isputo. Thank you very much.